guys, in today's video we are going to learn AND function. Okay, and this particular function is falling under the logical section. Okay, so what exactly the AND function is? Guys, basically AND function is majorly used to combine multiple conditions together, okay, to get the desired output. And the very important thing is, guys, the AND function which we will be using in this particular demonstration, it we can add multiple conditions along with this AND. Okay, so how many maximum conditions we can add? So it's almost 255 conditions we can add in single commands. But for this demonstration, I have took the 3 examples here. So the first one is very simple, guys. So here what I say, display true if b10 is greater than 1 and less than 100, otherwise it displays the false. Okay, which means the number, or we can say value, which we have in this cell, okay, b10 is a b column and cell number 10. You can check out here also, guys. Okay, so this is a b10 cell, and here number I have given, that is 5. You guys can change, or let me make it 45. Okay, so once this number I have typed here, then we'll have to type the command. So how exactly we can type the command? Is equal to AND. So AND is automatically populated. Let's double click or press on the tab. Okay, so here you can see logical 1 and logical 2 and dot dot dot, which means so we can add here 2 conditions, guys, or multiple condition, how many you want, based on what exactly input you are looking for. So here let's select the cell which is b10, okay, as per this particular our description. Okay, then what I'll say is a greater than 1, and let's complete the comma, which means our first logical condition we have successfully added here. Now let's add the second one. So again we'll have to type b10, or we can directly select this particular cell, and then here I'll just mention less than 100 and bracket complete. Let's click on enter. So the formula which we have defined here is like and b10 is greater than 1 and b10 less than 100. Okay, so this particular value falls under this 1 to 100, right? Now just because of that conditions, the output which we have received, that is true. Now let's say we have mentioned here 0, then we are automatically getting false, right? So similarly, let me here mention 1 1 1. So again here is we got the value as a false. So because why we got the value, because this 0 or 111 is the value is greater than 100. So that's the reason this is not falling under our criteria. So let me just make it again, let's say 80, and see our output got changed to true. So this is how basically AND function works. Now let's take example of another one. So here what it says, display the value in cell B11. So B11 is my this cell. If it's less than B12 and less than 100, otherwise it displays the message the value is out of range. So here we are going to basically we are going to use if command along with AND. Although I'll be going to prepare one dedicated video for if command, but right now let's check out how exactly we can do that. So let me press is equal to if. Once we have done that, now logical test. So logical test will be our AND command. Let's select that again. Now here we'll just mention B11 because that's our requirement as per this description, correct? Greater than, or let's say less than B12, comma. Okay, so this particular I'm saying B11, this particular value is less than B12. Then what will we just mention? B11 is less than 100. Bracket complete. Let's give the comma, and again B11, because here we have just mentioned one thing. B11 is less than B12 and B11 is less than 100. So here we have given the the sales condition as well as the value condition. Now I just mentioned here B11, comma, in double inverted comma I will just mention something like that the value is out of range. Let me type it fast and enter. See, so I have typed the complete command, guys, here. So as per this command we are getting the proper output here. So what it says now, display the value in cell B11. Okay, so this particular value has been displayed here. If it's less than B12, so as per B12 the value is less, because here in B11 we have 10 value and in B12 we have 50. So the value which we have here, that is less and it's below 100. Correct. So as per our first condition has been passed. and the output we have got properly. Now second, otherwise it display the message the value is out of range. So since we have value within range, so it doesn't display out of range message. Now let me change the value and make it larger than this 12. So first of all, we'll try to make it as a, let's say 150. See, the value is out of range. Now let me make it 55. Is again out of range. Why? Because the even through in the first section of this condition, what it says, B11 less than B12. So this particular is matching, right? So we should display the value. But in the second condition, which is B11 is less than 100. So this is the place where our value is not matching. So that's why we got the message the value is out of range. Now as soon as I'll make 56, you can see I got this particular value displayed here. So this is how basically it works. Now let's check out the third condition. Display the value in the B12 cell if it's greater than 1 and less than 100. Otherwise, it display a message. You can substitute any message of your choice. Now let me type my command very quickly. Enter. So guys, here we got the message. Now 101. So this is out of range. So when it says you can substitute any message of your choice, that means this particular message which I have written, you can write anything guys which you would like to display here. So here the only difference is in the AND function we have used B12 is greater than 1 and B12 is less than 100. As per the cell B12, the value is out of range. So the only difference between the first and third is here we are just using very simple command without any message, which is the we are just getting the standard message true or false. But here we are given the message as per our choice. And this particular functions is basically AND function here basically helps us to determine the value in two different cells. So this is how basically AND function works, and there are lots of things where we can use the AND function. But it again depends on you which situation, in which situation you would like to use this AND function. So this is just an idea or hint from my side. Now you guys can explore from your end how exactly you would like to use, and keep me posted in the comment box how it works for you. So that's it guys in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.